Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add interactive 3D elements to your Shopify store without coding. Using Spline and Instant, you can easily transform your online store into a more engaging experience, giving customers a more immersive way to explore your products or simply adding a touch of animation and depth to your site. Let's quickly try exporting and embedding this 3D shoe from Spline to Instant. And in case you want to make any edits, like for example, changing the color or maybe adjusting textures, you can simply click on it and modify them in the materials panel. But let's keep it just like this. You can also click here to explore the library and easily import 3D elements from different categories. You can customize them, edit, and use them in your projects for free. In our community, you'll also find even more designs and examples made in Spline. Here you can explore, upload your own projects, or remix them. We invite you to check them out, and now let's get back to our scene. To export and embed, just click on Export here, then simply select the Viewer option. You can use it with most web builders, frameworks, or browsers. In this case, let's copy the link at the top. And now we'll use Instant, a code-free Shopify store builder. You can start for free, create your project, and then connect it to your Shopify store. Once you've created your project, you can choose between building from scratch or selecting a template, which is very easy to customize. After setting up your project, click on Elements in the left sidebar. Then go to the Embed option, where you'll find Spline 3D. Now simply select it and drag it into your project. You can resize it with your cursor to better fit your template. And now let's replace this with our scene. Now go to the right panel, and in the Spline section, you'll find Viewer. Simply paste the link we copied earlier here, and your Spline scene will show up. Just with this, your scene is now integrated. But to actually see it in action and interact with it, let's just head to the top corner and click Preview. And here in Preview mode, I can interact, move my 3D design around, and explore it from all angles. Pretty cool, right? You can also explore other options like exporting one or multiple images, or maybe creating looping animations like this one. So whether you want to keep it more interactive or go for something simpler, the truth is any of these options will look great in your online store and are super easy to integrate. And for the final touches, you can tweak the play settings in Spline to turn features like orbit, pan, zoom, and touch settings on or off, adjust orbit limits, and more. And if you make any changes and want to update your scene, just remember to hit Update Viewer to refresh your project. And once your project is ready in Instant, you can click Publish to connect it with Shopify, bringing all the interactive 3D elements from Spline into your online store. As you can see, the process is quick and easy. Just copy, paste, and your store gets interactive in no time. Remember that you can learn even more about 3D and interactive design by checking out our other tutorials. See you next time.